published it.
Please tell the jury about this text and the context. And did there come a time that Mr. Depp told you that he understood that you were not going to accept any more jobs, that you were going to stop working?
Well, Johnny said this to me in...
So shut up, bitch!
Objection calls for speculation and hearsay.
Time that you did move in with him.
Objection leading. Your Honor, I'm going to object on hearsay.
He's my co-star...
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. Objection, hearsay.
It was fine.
Objection, hearsay.
Found out that he was in a hotel room with Paul Bettany.
Objection, hearsay.
With Lily Rose without saying anything she said.
Objection, hearsay. Objection leading.
If we approach him in the car on the street, you
Objection,
need to move
hearsay. Objection, form, compound.
To take care of the record, not mine.
My apologies on that one, Your Honor.
She threw the large bottle and it made contact and shattered everywhere. And I honestly didn't feel the pain at first at all. I felt no pain whatsoever. What I felt was, I felt heat. I felt heat and I felt as if something were dripping down my hand, you know. And then I looked down and realized that the tip of my finger had been severed. And I was looking directly at my bones.
I just don't remember.
And you don't remember seeing anything, right? But do you remember even looking?
I remember. I'm really remember. I gotta tell the whole story how they got there. Before they went and get the keys. They come down. They say somebody tried to get into my unit. There's scratches on my door. And like, I'm really sorry, but who will think is gonna get into your door was trying to get in, and they thought about someone trying to break into the unit. I said, in my head, I was like, you think someone's trying to get into your unit? There's scratches like 4 inches above the floor on your door. That was the dog trying to get into the unit. And they were so afraid. Oh, somebody's trying to get into my unit. They're like, oh, come on, really? And I actually, when they asked me to go inside the unit just to check room by room to make sure no one was there. So I did that. Cameras in the video. Sorry, we don't have cameras at the hallway. We don't have cameras on the hallway.
I'm going to show you what has been...
Army, someone fucking a party. Boxers better Cavalli. Box man up for my charging. Gal from North London, you mad. Gal from East London, you mad. Gal from West London, she mad.
You haven't have changed your eyebrows or your eyelashes are not even, or I'm not looking for anything. I'm just looking at their eyes, and I see something I will probably will remember. May 24th.
Yes.
Yeah, that's Tuesday.
But in fact, you don't recall seeing Amber Heard on May 24th, correct?
I don't remember. I don't even remember what I got for breakfast.
Okay. Well, let's pull up exhibit number 1. Let's stay on page 17. That's a good place.
just, in my head, instantly think of Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
Change my state of mind. Ladies and gentlemen, love so hard to find. We got him.
The line. So the incident was May 21st, 2016. You saw her the night. You said you saw Amber Heard hundreds of times while she was there. Amber Heard treat you well, and was she friendly to you in each of these hundreds of times?
Yes. I'm not gonna say no because she was really always nice.
All right, this is my last question. You testified in response to Mr. Presidio's questions that you testified truthfully in all of these occasions. Did you testify truthfully to everything that you testified in response to my questions today?
That's correct.
All right.
I did.
All right. It's a good time to break for lunch. We'll just break a little early, so just don't talk to anybody, don't do any outside research, and we'll see you at 2 o'clock, okay? Thank you. That was a first, I'm sorry.
I will say, Your Honor, that is the most bizarre deposition.
Okay, all right, I've just never seen that before. I've seen a lot of things, but I've just never seen that.
Driving that.
Yeah, that did it. All right, so we will come back at 2. Is there anything preliminary before we get? Part of that would be that they would, that what they, I guess they intend to get from Ms. Heard is that she either wrote it or republished it. Well, I understand that, but I think
it's not undisputed, Your Honor. I apologize for interrupting.
Okay. But I think the issue is that whether it was republication.
Well, and I'll get to that next.
Right, I know, but the problem is, how do I do a motion to strike when that evidence isn't before me yet?
Which was the only subject of the tweet. That was what it was. I'm happy to hand the transcript up if Your Honor would like to see that. But that isn't actionable because under the Lakova versus Halper case, 995 F. 3rd 134. Now that case dealt with
it does if you add something to it, but I just don't know the evidence.
Your Honor, very quickly, it's a judicial admission. They admitted in Ms. Heard's answer, she admitted to the tweet. So that establishes that she adopted the op-ed in its entirety, and it was discussed. We talked about judicial admissions. One was the op-ed itself. The second, and this is reflected.
Your Honor, if I could finish my argument, I mean, I would appreciate.
I can't wait to oppose this.
I know, that's fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So, and again, we can.
I think I lost myself to codeine at a board. You know the same live by the sword, by the sword.